It's my Smith & Wesson M&P, chambered in the 357 SIG. It's got a rail on bottom. It's got the manual safety lever here. Very light. You say M&P 357. It's got a 3-pound apex pull trigger, so it's a real light pull. So it's my favorite handgun, other than my Brugger and Tomet TP9. But that's in a whole other price league. This is I'm gonna shoot some Ultramax ammo. It's reloaded stuff. So I've had very good luck with it. I really like it. It's really cheap, affordable. That's the 357 SIG round. It's a bottleneck cartridge where you see it goes small to big. So got more power than 9. So anyway, I've only got like I think maybe 10 rounds, something like that. So I'm just gonna, I got a homemade silhouette there I want to shoot. So give it a try. You can record this one. Get me down here loading. I'll load this last one up. Alright. Safety off. Last round. Let me see here. Can you see camera? Thank you. Did you zoom in already? Yeah. So we got one down there, but you can see nailed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the heart. One just below the heart, one in the lung, and one down low. So, pretty good. That's why it is my favorite handgun. Not much recoil and very accurate. And that my M&P. Oh, zoom out. 357 SIG. Yeah, can't release that button. Release the slide. There we go. And you can get them with or without the manual safety. Some guys don't like the manual safety, but well, that's it.